Hello guys, and today I will show you how to connect your Sonos Era 100 to your Android phone. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, we need to connect our device to the source of power, because unfortunately this one doesn't work without it. So we need to take a cable which comes with the device and plug it into the bottom part of the speaker, right here. And now on the front part you can see indicator which is blinking by white. That means the speaker has gone into Wi-Fi mode. If you want to connect your speaker with your phone with a Bluetooth, we need to hold a Bluetooth button on the back of the speaker until we hear a sound. And now the indicator is blinking by blue, that means it's ready to pair. Now we need to take our phone and turn on Bluetooth. And then on the list with available devices we need to find our speaker. Here it is. We just click on it and then we click pair. Now your speaker is connected to your phone and you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts on your Sonos Era 100.